Hello, it's Edward, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use getpass in Python. This is an inbuilt function, which means you don't have to install anything. It comes with Python and it's quite small. It only has two methods. It has getUser and getpass. So once you imported it, let's say you have a database of users. For simplicity's sake, I'm just going to use a dictionary, but wherever you store the users and their passwords, you can use that instead. So all this does is it hides your passwords. So when you usually ask for an input, if I can show you right now actually, when you type in an input, you can see it pops up, you can see it. Now that's fine for usernames and most things, but sometimes, for example with passwords, you might want to keep that stuff hidden. So all getpass does is it hides it. So right now I'm going to be entering the password, and nothing's there, but it's entered. And this is really good for like password management if you're doing that kind of project or anything you want to keep hidden. And you know I entered it because when I run the program again, you can see login successful, welcome Bob. Now of course if I entered something else, or if I didn't enter anything at all, so if I entered like Bob and then I did say YH, invalid username or password. The other method is called getUser, and that refers to the system user, as in you don't enter anything in. This is actually on your computer. There's an identifier which with presumably your name on it. It gets that username. I find getpass to be more useful than that, but this is all that getpass has. And to actually use it, all you need to do is do getpass.getpass, and then in brackets you can enter just like an input. Technically, nothing has to be in here. It could be completely empty and it'll be fine. It's just when you enter, it works as an input, except you can't see it. And another way you might want to do this is do from getpass, import getpass and getUser and whatnot. If you do it like that, then you don't need this .getpass. You can just do this and it would work. But because I'm importing it like this, you just need to refer to the import. So this refers to the import, and then from the import it gets the method. But that is getpass explained. I hopefully this tutorial was helpful, and I'm going to be making a password manager project and I will be using getpass in that. I'll leave a link in the description for when I make that. Other than that, stay grinding.